Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain how to verify your Bitcoin transactions on Cash App. Before we begin, I want to clarify that when we talk about verifying Bitcoin on Cash App, we're not talking about verifying the actual Bitcoin transactions themselves. Instead, we're referring to verifying your Cash App account so that you can use Bitcoin-related features like buying, depositing, and withdrawing. Until your Cash App account is fully verified, these Bitcoin features will not be available to you. So, let's go through the steps together. First, open your Cash App on your phone. On the main screen, look for the money icon. It's usually located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on this icon to access the financial features of the app. Next, scroll down the page until you see the options that say Deposit Bitcoin or Buy Bitcoin. These are the features you'll be able to use once your account is verified. It's important to note that Cash App requires you to complete the account verification process before you can use these Bitcoin features. To verify your Cash App account, you'll need to provide some personal information. This includes your phone number, your cash PIN, your full legal name, your date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Cash App uses this information to confirm your identity and make sure your account is secure. Once you've submitted this information, Cash App will review your details and let you know when your account has been successfully verified. After your account is verified, you'll have full access to Bitcoin features on Cash App. You'll be able to buy Bitcoin, deposit it into your Cash App wallet, and withdraw it to an external wallet if needed. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.